5 ways to start a healthy habit that will stick. Habits are powerful things. With just the right approach, they can be used to help you accomplish almost anything, from breaking bad habits to forming good ones. This article will cover 5 psychological tricks that you can use to start and keep a healthy habit that's likely to last. Tip number 1. Reward yourself for small wins. Ever wonder why we go so far for a cup of coffee in the morning? Well, your brain does. It loves quick stimulants and especially anything that makes it feel good in the moment. Our reward center of the brain loves quick rewards more than anything. So how can we use this to our advantage? Each time you complete a healthy habit, reward yourself immediately with something you really enjoy. Instead of a coffee, enjoy a latte or your favorite protein bar. This small reward will make your brain focus on the feeling of enjoying that reward each time you get up in the morning. Setting up a reward system for yourself that includes both short-term and long-term rewards is essential. Short-term rewards can be things like eating something delicious or getting a massage. Long-term rewards can be things like saving money on food or buying something nice for yourself. Tip number 2. Use your environment to your advantage. Motivation is always lacking when it comes to doing the things you need to do. However, there's a way to make your brain think about doing harder things and make it easier to start. It's all about getting that foot in the door. How do you do this? You prime your environment with visual cues that make you think about the habit you are trying to achieve. For example, you want to hit the gym tomorrow morning. The night before, you take out all your workout clothes and put them on a chair in front of your bed. When you wake up, the first thing you will see are the clothes for working out, making it easy to get changed into them. Anything that will make the activity easier to get started will shift the momentum in the right direction, and there is a much lower chance of failure. Tip number 3. Set small goals to create a victory mindset. When it comes to developing a new habit, it's important to set small, achievable goals and focus on the wins. Trying to do too much at once is overwhelming and can lead to discouragement and failure. So break your goal down into smaller pieces that you can easily accomplish. For example, if you want to work out for 30 minutes every day, start by committing to 2 days a week. If you want to eat healthier, commit to not eating junk food once a week. If you set a lofty goal such as working out every day, the moment you skip one day you will have failed. Rather than seeing that you had started exercising, you would see that you have failed to work out every day. If you set a small goal such as working out even once a week and you accomplish it, you will feel good after. Having a victory mindset is far more important as it builds positive reinforcement. Tip number 4. Learn before you try. Knowledge is the number 1 reason why most people fail in establishing a new habit. If this is your first time going to a gym, creating a nutrition plan, or trying to get more sleep, you must learn the basics before trying. If you don't plan, you plan to fail. But before you can plan properly, you must learn. Find the resources, research beginner guides, or hire a specialist in the field. This will help you avoid mistakes that could derail your commitment. It also helps you feel more confident going into these commitments. Tip number 5. Share your goal. Sharing your goal with a loved one or a close friend that truly wants the best for you will create accountability. By sharing your goal with someone, you have vocalized your commitment, and this alone can hold you more accountable. You are less likely to give up and see yourself fail in front of someone else. This is a great tool to build discipline on the days you don't want to do what you need to do. The reminder of failure will hold an additional consequence. If you have a friend or family member that you know is struggling to start a new healthy habit, share this video with them to offer your support. By liking and sharing, you will spread the message and increase the chances this will reach and help more people. Lastly, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, click the subscribe and like buttons down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.